All right, let's get into it. So, ever since I started this channel, I believe even in the first technically analysis video I did, I laid out this pathway for the dollar, the DXY in the short to midterm, which my reading ended up being that I thought that we would come down and test this uptrending level of support, the short-term uptrending level of support, that we would come down and test that and get a bounce. And we've almost completed this move. So I had said that we would hit 96 DXY on the 16th, which it did, and it went a little below it too. Started making me a little nervous for my prediction because there was the possibility we break through that support and come down to the longer term uptrending level of support. But so far, this is playing out exactly like I saw it. And when I'm wrong about stuff, I will say that as well. But this particular time, I got it right so far. And we're seeing DXY move up today a good bit. We're up to 96.58. So we have only 0.42 before we hit our target of 97. And the prediction was that we hit that 97 target by December 20th. When that happens is when we should see our decline in Bitcoin to this $38,000 level. I expect this to happen somewhat suddenly, and you probably need to have buy orders in. I know for me, I have a buy order in for a good chunk of ADA at $1 or $2 is where I put my buy order in. I do think that we could go lower for ADA than that, but I'm not willing to risk missing that buying opportunity. So that's where I have my buy order set at for basically the rest of my capital that I'm willing to deploy right now. And so get your buy orders in, because when this move happens, this move that's functioning between the dollar and Bitcoin, once it completes, we're going to see the ability for parabolic price increases open up. Okay, more than likely when we get that bounce to 38, it's going to recover quickly. We'll probably recover up to 45,000 very quickly, and we'll see a few bounces, but we're largely going to have upside. So I wouldn't. My plan is that again, I'm selling all of my Bitcoin mid to late January, where I'm expecting $120,000 Bitcoin. I'm selling my ADA and most of my other altcoins. The ADA that I'm only going to go down to a certain amount of ADA, and the more you sell, the more it hurts. But I'm going to sell a good bit of it late February rather, because we're likely to see this market dump after that, because we're going to see the increasing strength of the dollar, which I laid out in a previous video, the more long-term predictions for the dollar. But when this dump happens for Bitcoin, we're going to end this last bump of, we have these 3 humps of negative MACD. That's going to complete, and all 3 of these are going to compile into the strength of the uptrend that we will have. So if there is going to be a parabolic run, and I believe there will be, to end this bull run for crypto, I expect that it happens fairly quickly after December 20th, because then we'll be moving from 38,000 to 120,000. That's a 3x in 30 days or so. So there's going to be a lot of upside, and then there's going to be a lot of people FOMOing in. That's how I see it playing out, and those are my strategies. Take it or leave it, and it's not financial advice. And y'all have a good day.